Hello guys, this is a short video for you to prepare for your test. This is the first time I will be holding a fully online test using the Spectrum feature. So I prepared a simple test, a sample test for you to try on so that you don't get overwhelmed during the day, so that you can answer the question properly. Okay, so if you were to log in into your account in Spectrum, I can actually act as a student. So this is what you will see. As you can see, I've already prepared the online test at the top. You can click it, but you can't take it because it will say that the quiz will not be available until this date. So I prepared the test to be available only on this date, starting from 11 AM, but I allow you to take it at any time during that day, as long as you set 2 hours for it. Okay, so the test will automatically end after you attempt it for 2 hours. Okay, so let's have a look at one sample test that I have prepared for you. So if you click at it, so this is what you will see. Time limit 30 minutes for this one. Okay, so you'll see something like this. Okay, if you're using Chrome like what I'm using now, this is what you'll see. But if you're using a different browser, then it will be slightly different, but it shouldn't be that much different. So you'll see a question and you'll see an area where you can type your program. Okay, but I would like you to test out the program first before you copy it in the space here. Okay, so let's have a look at the question and try to answer it. This is a really simple question. I hope you can do it by now. Write a program that asks the user to enter an integer, okay, and determine if it is an even or odd number. Okay, so now you have your app opened. So you prepare to test your program. So you are asked to enter one integer. Okay, as usual, start with cout. Okay, whenever you're asked to enter an integer, there's always a cin. Okay, and call it a if you wish, and don't forget to put a variable a at the top. Okay, because the question asks for an integer, so the data type is integer a, and you are asked to determine whether it's an even or odd. Whenever you see the word determine, that means you are asking the computer to do an if else statement. Okay, so you're testing if a is even, like what I've done before. This is not the correct one, but leave it there for now so that you have the right structure. Okay, okay, else it must be an odd number. So how do you do it? So you just add an else statement there. The closing bracket is added for you automatically here. Yeah, so you just have to type the alternative statement. So the number is odd, right? Okay, don't forget the semicolon as usual, but if you forget, it's still okay. Right, before you click run, make sure you correct this to test whether it's even or not. Remember, I've used this example before. So if a is divided by this operator with no balance, that means it's an even value. Okay, enter an integer. Let's enter 7. See what happens. The number is odd. Yes, you've answered the question. Okay, so let's go back to the question and go to the second part. Edit the program in Q1 to find the square of that number. Okay, no matter what the number is, I want to find the square of that number. Okay, so to do that, you don't have to write a new program. All you have to do is just write another cout statement. Square of this number is, how do you find the square? Yes, a times a. Again, because a is now the number that you have entered at the program, right? So a is always that number, so always, you can always use it as long as the program is still running. Then integer 8, so the number is even, the square of this number is 64, right? You have answered the question for this test, so now all is left for you to do is copy. If you like me, you like to save it somewhere else first, okay, so that if anything happen, because with the internet nowadays you can never tell whether it's stable or not, okay, so you save it somewhere. Okay, you save it at somewhere that you can remember, okay, and only then you go to the spectrum and paste your answer there. Okay, once you're confident that the answer is correct, you click on finish attempt. So you will be asked to whether you're confident to submit all. Okay, so you just click it and you're ready. Okay, so submit all and finish. That's it. All the best for your test and happy coding.